Hi, I'm Chris Hurd, here inside the spectacular booth of Honeywell Intelligrated on the show floor of MODEX 2020 in Atlanta. This booth is filled with some fascinating and very cutting-edge technology, all designed to help you take your system from DC now to DC next. So joining me now is Chris Rowland, Solutions Consultant with Honeywell Intelligrated. Chris, thanks for being with us.
Oh, thanks for having me. I appreciate that.
You have been demonstrating some simulation here at the event this week. How exactly does simulation help DC operations?
So it helps DC operations in several ways. The biggest thing is to validate throughput with either an existing system or a brand new system. Could be a greenfield or a brownfield. But basically what we do is either have a piece of equipment or a whole DC operation. We would validate that to a data set that's specific to the customer. And then we would make sure to align that with the specific outputs that we're looking for. And then we can reconfigure it as needs be to make sure that we're completely encompassing what they're looking for.
Does this apply simply to new systems?
No, we can do new systems or existing systems. It could be a specific piece of equipment in an existing system. Let's say that if their throughput needs went up or whatever the case may be, we could say, hey, the sortation system doesn't work anymore, so let's put a loop sorter in there or a shoe sorter, whatever the case may be, and make sure that we're giving them the best value.
So make changes as you go.
Absolutely. And then it actually works as a digital twin once the system is fully functional. So that way, if they have an operations change or even an equipment change like later on, we could do validation on that before they actually wanted to implement that change.
Right. So if I had to ask you to succinctly boil down all the key benefits, what would you say?
I would say system validation is obviously in the key of what we're looking for, but also to reduce commissioning time, to make sure that the final product is exactly what the customer is looking for. Those are kind of the key benefits.
All right. Chris Rowland, Solution Specialist. Thank you very much for joining us.
I appreciate it.
So be sure and reach out to us with any questions you may have, of course, but if you are ready to take your system from DC now to DC next, pretty clear that Honeywell Intelligrated is the one to get you there. Thanks for joining us.